Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Studentom. My name is Sanjeev Jha, and with over 6 years of experience in digital marketing, I'm here to share strategies, tools, and best practices to help you succeed in the digital space. If you are looking to grow your business or build a career in digital marketing, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join me on this exciting journey. Today, we'll dive into an essential topic. What is digital marketing? We'll also explore its key benefits and the industries leveraging it to stay ahead. Let's get started. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing refers to promoting products, services, or brands using digital platforms and technologies. In simple terms, it's how businesses connect with their audience online. Here are the key components. SEO, search engine optimization, boosting your website's visibility in search results. PPC, pay-per-click advertising, paying for ads on platforms like Google or social media. Content marketing, creating valuable content to engage and attract your audience. Social media marketing, building relationships on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Email marketing, personalizing communication to nurture leads and retain customers. Affiliate and influencer marketing, leveraging partnerships to promote your brand. Analytics and automation, using data to track performance and automate tasks for efficiency. Digital marketing allows businesses to reach their customers globally, in real time, and with measurable results. Key benefits of digital marketing. Why is digital marketing so effective? Let's break down its key benefits. Global reach. Reach customers anywhere in the world without geographic limitations. Cost effectiveness. Compared to traditional marketing, digital marketing delivers impactful results with a smaller budget. Precise targeting. You can focus on specific demographics, interests, and behaviors to reach your ideal audience. Measurable results. Tools like Google Analytics provide real-time insights into how your campaigns are performing. Enhanced engagement. Social media, email, and interactive content allow you to connect with your audience directly. Flexibility and adaptability. Campaigns can be adjusted based on performance, ensuring optimal results. Higher ROI. Digital marketing often leads to better returns compared to traditional methods, thanks to its targeted approach. Increased brand awareness. A consistent online presence builds recognition and trust. Customer insights. Data from campaigns helps businesses refine strategies and understand customer preferences. Competitive advantage. Digital marketing levels the playing field, enabling smaller businesses to compete with larger ones. Top industries leveraging digital marketing. Now, let's explore how different industries are maximizing digital marketing. Retail and e-commerce. From online stores to physical retailers, digital marketing drives sales through SEO, PPC, and social media. Healthcare. Hospitals and clinics use content marketing to educate patients and promote trust. Finance and banking. Banks rely on email campaigns and SEO to offer loans, credit cards, and advice. Education. Universities and online platforms attract students using social media and content strategies. Hospitality and tourism. Travel companies promote destinations with engaging visuals and campaigns. Technology and software. Tech brands showcase innovations and updates through blogs and email marketing. Entertainment and media. Streaming services and media platforms engage audiences with video content and social campaigns. Food and beverage. Restaurants and cafes build loyalty with influencer collaborations and promotions. Fashion and beauty. From Instagram campaigns to influencer partnerships, This industry thrives on digital visibility. Professional services. Lawyers, consultants, and agencies use SEO and LinkedIn to connect with potential clients. These industries, and many others, are achieving remarkable success by embracing digital marketing. And that's a wrap on today's video. Digital marketing isn't just a tool, it's the key to staying competitive in today's fast-paced world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below with the industries you think benefit most from digital marketing. I'll see you in the next video as we continue exploring strategies and tools to take your business to the next level. Thanks for watching.